What's going on, guys? NoJobRob here. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I just wanted to give you an easy, cost-effective, healthy smoothie idea. Something that I've incorporated into my daily regimen. It's not really anything that's designed to be life-changing, but it is something that I feel has been a boost to my overall health. So this isn't meant to be professional nutritional advice of any kind. I'm just going to share with you the information that I'm going off of as far as why I've chosen to incorporate each thing. So over here, I have my pretty unspectacular Black & Decker blender, pretty basic. So getting right into it, our first ingredient is going to be an organic banana. So the average banana contains a little over 400 milligrams of potassium. That's kind of going to be a theme here. For those who don't know, you actually need about 4,700 milligrams of potassium per day. Something that I dealt with when I was on keto. I actually developed a potassium deficiency because you get quite a bit from bread. And it caused my heart to have difficulty pumping blood to my brain. Therefore, I was getting very dizzy, and I just felt like I was going into general cardiac arrest. But potassium governs hundreds of bodily functions, but yeah, cardiovascular health is huge. It also factors into bone and nerve health, and I'm just kind of packing those down there because, like I said, it's not the greatest blender, so sometimes it struggles to chop those up. So item number 2 is going to be kale. So as you take a look here, kale is pretty rich in potassium as well. I don't know how well you can see that, but you take my word for it. It's got vitamin A, C, K, calcium. So generally pretty good. I prefer kale to spinach because it's much lower in oxalates, which actually bind to calcium in your kidney and clog up your kidney and can lead to renal issues. So I like to take at least a couple pretty large handfuls here. You know, the equivalent of maybe a couple of cups. So pack that in there pretty well. I don't like to go too crazy on the kale because I'm just not crazy about the flavor and the texture, honestly, but it's been shown that if you eat a bowl of dark leafy greens like this every day, it actually reduces the observable age of your brain by approximately 11 years, and it has about the same potassium as a banana per one serving. So next I'm going to show you what I use for the liquid stock of the smoothie, and I like to put a large amount, about a third of a carton of this in here, again to really dilute the kale and you know, make sure that I'm not like chewing on kale the whole time I'm trying to drink it. But organic coconut milk, dairy-free, so it doesn't have, you know, any of the inflammatory nonsense that regular milk would have. Like regular milk has like added sugar in addition to the lactose and everything else. So carrageenan-free, which is also inflammatory, so definitely something you want to avoid. Decent vitamin and mineral content down here. You can see it's got some magnesium, some vitamin D, calcium, a little bit of zinc. So again, this is gonna probably seem like a lot, but it definitely does the job, gives me the right consistency that I'm looking for, as I completely miss. Never tried filming and making a smoothie, as you can imagine. So I like to do it pretty much until it reaches the level of the kale in there. So yeah, that should be good. Just about. A little more kale, but that's okay. So this is about $3 at Target. Sometimes this can be a little expensive, like $5-6 a carton, but I just snagged this for $3. Got my sidekick over here. So the next ingredient is going to be blueberries. These are not organic, but you know, ideally you'd want to go organic. Sometimes it's not in the budget. That's okay. So blueberries are rich in antioxidants, which basically what antioxidants do is if there's a cell within your body that has come into contact with another unstable atom and it has an electron knocked off, that cell may potentially become unstable itself, and then it starts to degrade and break down, and that can lead to disease within your body. But what certain vitamins and minerals like vitamin A and vitamin C can do is they can give the electron to the atom that needs it and maintain the stability of the cell. So you know, definitely something good to have, strong antioxidant network to help you fight disease in that regard. So I just lumped in there what I had left, and for our fifth ingredient, I'm going to go with peanut butter. Now, not only is this delicious with the banana in there, but it contains some healthy fats, This particular one that I have here, Crazy Richards, gluten-free, no trans fat, so it's not going to raise your low-density lipid profile, which is your bad cholesterol. So yeah, you can see the only ingredient is peanuts, and it does have a somewhat decent amount of protein content, 8 grams per serving, and another 230 milligrams of potassium, which is nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the deed here. Bang that in. And it's 2 tablespoons per serving, so I'll go back for more here. Probably a little heavy on that, but that's quite alright. And my secret ingredient, so to speak, I'm only going to put a couple of dashes in here, but it's probably not enough to actually do anything, but it's so good for you that I feel like it's better than nothing. So this is organic ground turmeric, which is anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, has been demonstrated to help fight heart disease, Alzheimer's, and cancer. So anytime I have an opportunity to put this on anything, it kind of has like an overpowering lemony ginger type of flavor to it. But if I can like throw it in a soup or on a sandwich or something like that, then I will. But I should be getting even more of this than I am, to be honest. But I'm only going to put a little bit of it. Again, I don't really want this to taste like the turmeric, but another little pinch there. But it's a little something that you can add to sort of stack the odds in your own favor. Another couple of examples of stuff that fit that description would be like raw organic apple cider vinegar, if it'll focus. Yep, there you go. This bottle was like $6 for this big old thing, lasts a while. You can like mix it into water, do different stuff with it. Same goes for this raw. I couldn't have this when I was on the keto because of the sugar, but I'm glad to be able to start ingesting some organic raw unfiltered honey. So that's awesome to have as well. This was like $9 a bottle, so a little pricey, but yeah, great for immunity and digestion and anti-inflammatory response. Oh, I almost forgot to put ice. This tastes infinitely better with ice cubes. So usually, oh shit. Usually 3 of these will do the job. Alright, so I'm gonna blend it up pretty finely here, and we'll show you the finished product. Alright, so here we are, and as you can see, the kale dominates the color spectrum here, but not really what we're concerned with. Alright, so go ahead and pour myself a cup here. I've never tried like doing anything while I'm filming before, so I'm trying to make sure I'm looking at the right thing to not like cause a disaster. But there you go. Again, take my word for it, or don't, and make it yourself, and taste the deliciousness and the health. So again, it's like 1,000 milligrams of potassium, so it's almost a quarter of what you need in a day just in the smoothie. Plenty of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, anti-inflammatories. So definitely just trying to give you guys some ideas, especially if smoothies aren't really something that you're incorporating. It's something that I'm new to, so I'm just trying to, again, get my performance higher, get my brain health higher. So so far so good. Hey, you want some? You want some? Here, have it. I'll have to put some catnip in it for her, but hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. This has been NoJobRob. Be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. I'll be coming back with more uploads every single day, so make sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any. Thank you for watching, and have a great day, everybody.